Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to narrow down your search on the C&A application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the C&A home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, then select a category and type in a keyword into the search bar. After that, you should tap on the filter button in the right side. You can select the category for whom you are searching for or would want to purchase. Select the gender too, then the size can be set by tapping on the relevant buttons. You can also set the preferred colors. The price range can be set to the material. Product type can be selected, the neckline, sleeve length, shape, outline, design and brand. If you are done with adding all these features, tap on the show results button down below and you will be able to browse among these results. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.